Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y76, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, we'll want to open up Settings. From here, scroll down to RAM and Storage Space. Scroll down and we have our SD card. You want to click on it. You can then choose what we want to open it with. I'm gonna select Files. Both of them are default on everybody's phone, so you should have both of them. And once you're in your application, you want to tap on the three dots right over here. Navigate to Storage Settings, where you will find Format option. So click on it. It will bring a message up letting us know that everything from that SD card will be completely removed. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, do make a backup copy of it beforehand. So here we go. Now I'm gonna select Format SD card. This only takes a couple seconds. And there we go, it's now finished. So here we go, I'm gonna close this, and there we go, we are now completely done. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.